to go pick up a friend at a doggy daycare job. And every single dog was
watching her, not wanting her to go.
Oh my god!
Making it impossible to ever want to leave her job.
Not wanting her to go. Oh my god!
Making it impossible to ever want to leave her job for the day.
They don't want you to leave!
This girl went to go pick up her friend at a doggy daycare job. And every single dog was watching her, not wanting her to go.
Oh my god!
Making it impossible to ever want to leave her job for the day.
That's such a wonderful job to have, and you can see the loyalty all the dogs look like. Like they won't, you know, they won't miss her until her next shift at work, you know. That would be such a good job to have, you know. I wouldn't even like I would really have like enjoyment at that job, you know. Wally really hates dogs, man. He's making a whole bunch of new sermons and stuff about dogs and people who hate dogs. I mean, people who love dogs, yeah. It's crazy. Wally, you need to repent, bro. You know, but you're too prideful to ever admit you're wrong. And it's a shame, you know.